Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use LinkedIn ads for B2B marketing. So for this, I am here on linkedin.com/campaign manager. So first of all, you need to add your name and then add the currency. So it is already set to USD. So click on next. Now here you need to add your LinkedIn page. So simply go to your LinkedIn profile and from there copy your profile URL. So for this, go to me and now click on view profile. Once you are on your profile, now copy this link and paste it there. So if your page is there, then you can choose your page. As you can see, it will give you suggestions. So I will just add a random page here and then click on continue. Okay, so here it will take time. Now you need to turn on two-step verification. So click on let's get started. Okay, so once the verification is turned on, now choose a campaign objective. So I will go with the first one, which is brand awareness. So now here it will take few seconds. Okay, so now the next step is here in the left side we have this test option. Click on test. As you click, now click on create test, and there we have two types of test. So I will go with A/B test. Go with the AB, and there you need to add few details. Okay, so here first of all scroll down and add your name here. So I will just add B2B marketing here. Okay, so once you are done with the name, then you need to scroll down and there we have variables. So you can choose, I will go with ad, you can go with audience placement or accelerate. Then you can set your budget or schedule. Then we have campaign for this test and the budget, and then click on next. Once you select all this, the next step we have is objective, like where you want to turn your audience. So we will go with engagement, and then we have cost per click. So I will go with per click here. Next we have audience, you can customize it too. And after that we have ad format, like if you go with the single image or carousel image, documents or PDF files. Then we have placements where you want to run this ad, and of course on LinkedIn. Then we have budget and schedule, and then click on next. As you click on next, there you need to add a payment method and you're good to go. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.